What's up, it's your boy Tux. Welcome back to the channel. As usual, we talk about something, coming in conclusion, and then we see what you're gonna do. Okay, today's topic is how to make a business. Business opportunities are everywhere. Okay, might have a question. Why did I say that? Because I found myself in a situation where I didn't want to sell something, but in a process, I made it a business. Here is the example. I was buying some umbrellas because we are going to have a vacation on a beach. So I ordered some umbrellas. When they came here, uh, it was they looked nice. Like one, it was for SpongeBob SquarePants, and one it was for Tom and Jerry, and one it was just different colors. We had three umbrellas. Then when I went to take it so that we can pack and go, in a way I found some girls and they asked me, where did you find those umbrellas? So the answer was, I ordered them. The following up question is, do you sell them? And I said no. Okay. Then she wanted me to give one to her because she was the fan of SpongeBob. So in the process that she will give me money. Here's a transaction. I bought it for 30 US dollar and sell it to 40 US dollar. So she told another friend of hers, and they end up becoming 5 customers. I became well known as the man who sells umbrellas. Then it was funny, but I was making my money. $10 profit from one umbrella. $30 including the transport man, the shipping and other stuff. So here's the thing. You can come up with anything to make money. For example, if you wanna make up a business, this one is not accidentally. Now you are planning to make up a business. First, you have to have business plan that and a business research. First, you must research based on what you are looking for to make a business. An example is like when I have a bar. First, found in your community, in your area, how many bars are there? If it's like about 7 in your area, then it's already overpopulated with those bars. It's gonna be a tough competition for a newcomer. So find another way. If it's gonna be a stand, find out again. First, you have to research. After that, if you find your way through, do what you do best. Never give up and salute. That's all for my advice. Hey, this is gonna be easy if you put your heart in it. Let's get it. A like and comment. If you like, the first person is going to comment, going to shout out his name underneath there, for just to show you that this person watches my videos. It might be stupid to some, but it might be helpful to some. So peace out.